Just a quick video today. Here's my GoPro Hero 10 on a GoPro Volta, but more importantly the medium mod. And for whatever reason, because I don't really vlog, I got one for Christmas. But it's not without its issues. And mainly it's to do with taking the battery out and taking the memory card out. It is a bit of a bugger. I'll show you. To get this card out, you can't just take the GoPro out there because it's obviously through there, so really you've got to take all this off. Undo the thumb screw, and here's another issue. The thumb screw is so close to the GoPro. Under the GoPro. Close the feet to get the GoPro out so you can get to the memory card and battery. That is a little bit of a faff. So this is what I'm left with every time I've got to get a battery out or a memory card out. So I just happened to be stumbling across YouTube and I came across another guy who came up with an invention, and I thought, well, I can do that. And here it is. I had a bit of aluminium. I put a couple of holes in it, bent it to shape, had it anodized, and a few other little bits I got off Amazon and something I found in my box, and eventually came up with these little babies. And so now I can put the GoPro together. This little thing, I don't know where it came from, but I found it. I got this off Amazon, and it came with that. Again, this came with the light mod, this little thing, and I made another little bit of aluminium. So I've got two bits of aluminium. The first off, take out the light mod, because now this is going to go in there. Screw that up nice and tight. This little bit here onto there. Sorry for my unprofessional video making, but there we go. So we got that there, and now we can put this back on here, and now you've got all that space for the thumbnail. And that goes on like that. GoPro sits back in there. And so now, whenever I want to, I can leave it connected and pull out the GoPro. Presto. Brilliant. And I can even leave the microphone and the Volta connected. Where's the microphone? I don't need to disconnect it. And then this thing here, I thought, well, what can I do now? And then with this, that thing I found in with the light mod, I could just simply plug that in there. You get the idea, and away we go. One vlogging setup. Yeah, I'm very impressed. Thank you very much to the guy who came up with the video. I know I've stolen your idea, but yeah, I can quickly take that out with the GoPro, back in again, seconds. Oh, brilliant, thank you very much. And now I might start doing some vlogging. Maybe, who knows. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that this helps you.